back to my channel. So today I have a try on haul for you guys. Everything I'm going to be showing in this video is from Pink. As you guys know, I go to Pink 24/7. Before we jump into the haul, I want to give a huge shout out to Victoria's Secret Pink for sponsoring this video. I got this gray hoodie and it has sparkle in the back as well. This hoodie is perfect for spring break. I love wearing hoodies on planes. I'm actually going to Mexico for spring break. What are you guys doing for spring break? It's this adorable cropped sweatshirt. Spring break is coming up and this hoodie is perfect for that. You can wear it at the beach, wear it when you're out. It's perfect. It's a good look. The next thing I got is actually what I'm wearing on my body right now. These adorable leggings. I always wear leggings whenever I'm traveling, and I'm traveling a bunch for spring break. These leggings are perfect. I'm a fan. Next, I got this super cute pink hat. So adorable. I love wearing hats when I'm at the beach so the sun doesn't get in my eye. Plus, it's super cute. Next, I got these super adorable sky blue sweatpants. They literally look like the sky. And they have a cute design on the side. These are super duper cute. I love them. Also, can I just say, the quality of Pink is so comfortable. Everything's super soft and really affordable too, so I appreciate that. Next, I got this pink jacket. And this is like raincoat material, so this is nice, you know, if it's raining. It's actually been raining a lot lately in LA, which is very weird. I'm like a little shook, but I guess, you know, we do need the rain, you know. We are in a drought. But it's super cute, and it says Pink in the front and in the back, and this is just adorable. Also, I just went to Portland, and it rains a lot there, so. Next thing I got is this really cute, comfortable sweatshirt. I love wearing oversized shirts, especially to bed, so I definitely would wear this. Then I got this adorable cropped sweater. How cute is this thing, guys? It says Pink on it, just like the one I'm wearing right now, but it's in this pretty green color. And then it has kind of a velvet material in the back and on the side. And this one comes with a hoodie, so if you are rushing out the door, this is just something you can throw on with some jeans or leggings or anything really. I also got the matching sweatpants to match the hoodie. So I just got these green ones, and again, they have the velvet on the side of the pant as well. These will be rocked. Then I got this really cute orange shirt. Orange is a really good color on my skin tone, so it's cute. Then I got this gray pink shirt. If you want to be super casual, but you still want to be a little extra, this is the shirt for you. Then I got some push-up bras. I'm a 32A, so I can use whatever push-up I can get. We love a good Victoria's Secret pink push-up bra. Then I got this. As you can see, it's super cute, and it has nice straps in the back. Then I got some Victoria's Secret pink slides. These are fantastic. I've been traveling a lot lately. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my vlog channel if you guys want to see where I'm going. But I just recently went to Hawaii. I'm actually going back in a couple days. So these are so convenient, especially if you're going to the beach, you're going to the pool. I just hit my table. They got me these glow down soothing sheet masks. I've been really into masks lately. It's a fun time to unwind, rejuvenate. Then I got some lotion, and this is coconut oil, a cocoa lotion. This stuff smells incredible. Then I got this Urban Bouquet, and this is a body mist. Ooh, that smells really good. Then, of course, they gave me the coconut oil body wash, and it comes with this really cute see-through Victoria's Secret pink bag. We love a good makeup bag. Then I got more sweatpants. These ones are black. I definitely would be having movie nights in these comfy sweats. They're so cute. I seriously need to think of other words to use to describe things instead of saying cute. Comment down below how many times I've said cute in this video. Next, I got these super cute hot pink shorts. This is perfect for spring break if you're walking on the beach or if you're just lounging around. They're super comfortable, and I love the color. And last but certainly not least, I got this adorable cropped sweater. This one is pretty much the same one as the green one. This is just in hot pink, and it has the velvety material in the back as well. So that is all for my try on haul. I hope that you guys enjoyed, and huge thank you to Pink for sponsoring this video. I love you guys so much, and I have been shopping at Victoria's Secret Pink literally since I was a preteen, so this video is a dream come true. I'm so excited to bring you guys a bunch of fun and exciting videos this 2018. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my vlog channel if you are not already. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Mwah. I'm in love with you.